Hi guys. Okay. I hit the record. So we're over at
IAI.
IAI, and is that short for anything?
Yes, it's short for Intelligent Actuators Incorporated.
Right. Okay. Is it a new company?
No, it's been around since the 1980s. 1986. We're actually going to have our 40th anniversary next year.
Wow. Okay. Okay. And your name, sir?
Jeremy Holtauer.
Jeremy. Okay. Thanks, Jeremy. So Jeremy's just going to give us a quick intro about what IAI do. So, like, yeah, just give us the basics of the foundations of the company. Yeah.
So IAI manufactures industrial robots, mostly single axis, but we also do Cartesian robots, Scara robots, and we're getting into automated conveyors as well.
Right.
So any industry where there's a need for automation, be it automotive, food and drink, medical, packaging, logistics, anything there is a place for IAI robot in your factory.
Right, yeah, because I can see from the display you got today, you got a conveyor system set up, boxes like moving around. So I'm assuming you would see this in some sort of like goods factory or something like that.
So anything like that. So the conveyor behind me, it's capable of distinguishing between 4 different types of products that we have sorting out in this one, right? It has sensors, so it can tell whether it's product A, B, C, or D, and it will transfer automatically, right? So all of this is fully automated.
Right.
It'll transfer from, different paths along the conveyor. So, product B will go up and through that lift behind me. Then products A, B, and C go into a different section to be sorted, and they are sorted A, B, and C. There's never any mix-ups. There's never any confusion. And it's all completely automated. All you need is people at one end to load in the product and people at the other end to unload it.
Right. And is there a size of the product? Can it go big and small? Is there a
So the maximum payload can be about 30 kg,
right,
and then it should be at least tall enough so that the sensors can see it.
Yeah. Okay. No, right. Do you ever get into like airport type of automation, like luggage, that sort of thing?
I don't think so yet, but I believe the conveyor might be useful for something like that as well.
Yeah, I can see that because we obviously got the conveyor lines, but the intelligence bit is actually happening. What we see right at the end, actually, where it's actually picking up the totes. So it's the idea to get the product into the tote to start with, and then the tote goes around the line.
So, what we have is the product is in cases or boxes already, but it doesn't have to be. As long as the sensor can pick up something that's distinguishable about it, they'll be able to tell, okay, it's this product, or it's that product, or it's that product.
Right, and how light does it go? So you said 30 kilos for weight, but how light?
So again, I think that the minimum end of it is it just has to be tall enough that the sensors could be able to detect it.
So it's a size thing, yeah.
It would be a physical size thing as opposed to a minimum payload.
Right. And where do you see most of your installs like happening? Is it in car manufacturing or box manufacturing? Like where's the main sort of installs?
So one of our biggest customers is automotive. Here in Japan, it would be Toyota. But in general, right, anywhere that you could use a conveyor, maybe something like Amazon or the USPS.
Yeah.
Right, so those are places where we could potentially see something like this being rolled out.
Right, okay. And so the conveyor line is the main bulk of the business, but you do other parts?
The conveyor line is actually the newest or one of the newest products that we have.
Right.
Our bread and butter is actually the single axis robots and, replacements for air cylinders or just single axis motion or Cartesian systems, right? XYZ systems or even Scara robots. So those are the selectively compliant robot owners.
Right, so you guys manufacture your own robots, like you wouldn't go to...
Correct.
Oh, okay, wow, okay.
Manufacturing is all done at our 3 sites here in Japan.
Right. And you got sites in the US and Europe as well?
Support sites, but no manufacturing.
Right, so all the manufacturing is done here?
All of the manufacturing is done here and all of our products are made to order.
Right, okay. Brilliant. Okay, well, I think it's a great overview of the company. So, guys, please come check them out to see what these guys do and how they work. So, cool, perfect.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Have a quick look at some of their stuff behind me. So we've got some of their bits here. Obviously, pack inside on that side, and we have them all around on that side as well.